In the second half of 2024, a nova explosion in the star system called T Coronae Borealis, or TCRB, will once again be visible to people on Earth. The TCRB will appear 1,500 times brighter than usual, but it won't be as spectacular as the event in 1054, which I have never heard of. Could that event make the sun dark? Oh, it could. Look what I found. Okay, a star is about to explode. An artist's illustration of a nova similar to the T Coronae Borealis, or the blaze star. Here is a red giant star and a white dwarf that orbit each other as a disk of hydrogen that surrounds them like a messy version of Saturn's rings. Eventually, this gas will explode like a thermonuclear bomb. But what I'm interested in is when they say the disk of hydrogen is going to make it blow up. I heard that somewhere yesterday. Astronomers around the world are preparing for one of the most anticipated cosmic firework shows of the year. But you don't need a fancy telescope to join in the festivities. The hydrogen that a small dense star has spent the past 80 years siphoning off its nearby neighbor is about to explode like a thermonuclear bomb, 100,000 times the brightness of the sun. From Earth, it'll be about as bright as a North Star, making it visible to the naked eye, even with Los Angeles light pollution. They are planning to watch the explosion called a nova. And so you can go to these things to see. They expect it to happen anytime between now and the end of 2024. And it did not happen before the end of August. And here we are in October, almost. Once the star nicknamed the Blaze Star goes nova, you have just 2 or 3 days in Los Angeles. What? Or about a week out in the desert to hope for clear weather and try to spot it. The stars will be at its brightest the very first night after it explodes. Spot the star in the old school way. First locate the Big Dipper, then follow its direction, its handle points before it curves down until you find a group of stars in a tight U shape. This is the Corona Borealis, the constellation the Blaze Star is located in. The nova will be just outside the U. So the Bible talks about a group of stars. And in the Blind Melon video, Toes Across the Floor, a group of stars or a group of people stop him from putting a fire out. So I'm going to post a video of where I heard this before, and you will be shocked. Get ready. Now we're looking at the Corona Borealis, and it says to look here, but I'm telling you, this right here looks like the wreath crown of the United States government. Any moment now, a star that was hiding for decades will light up the night sky. A nova eruption is about to occur in the constellation Corona Borealis. So there was a picture in here. No, I don't want to be notified of anything, but I can't find it. Oh, there it is. So there's the Hercules. There's the Corona Borealis. And there's a man with a slingshot in his hand. He's got a slingshot. The Corona Borealis is the rock, is it? Huh. That's pretty interesting. What do you think about that? It's located in the Corona Borealis, a small constellation best seen in the northern hemisphere, and it reaches the highest point in the sky in July. That is really cool. And there, oh gosh, look at that. That's so cool. It's a crown. It's the crown. What happens when the crown explodes? It's going to look amazing. Holy cow. I can't even imagine. 3,000 light years away from us. It's a normally dim 10th magnitude star, and it's making headlines because it's set to shine brightly during the nova event at any moment around September 2024. During the event, it will shine as brightly as the North Star. This is possibly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The next time T Coronii Boreal will lighten up won't be for another 80 years. Wow. Okay, now we are going to hear where I heard that.
The new thing is hydrogen. They have hydrogen cars. They have one problem. On occasion, it will blow up. And when it blows up, you are not recognizable. No, you're not even recognizable. This is like a massive bomb being dropped. When it blows up, you are no longer, your wife cannot identify you. Let me put it that way. Is this your husband? Does they show you blood? Is this your husband? I really can't tell.
What?
No, so that's a problem they're going to have to work out, I think. But they say that's the new up-and-coming thing. So far, I'm not interested. Her insane electric vehicle mandate will decimate Pennsylvania's economy by abolishing gas-powered cars and trucks for American roads and destroying your fossil fuel industry. And there's very few states that benefit like you do from fracking. I mean, you have 500,000 jobs. And if she gets in, she's going to just dead it. She's a liar. Remember, again.
Okay, we got what we needed.